Another switch you may find in your home is a four-way switch. These have 4 terminal screws and a 5th green one for ground wire. Four-way switches are used between 2 three-way switches to control lights from 3 or more locations. This can be handy if you have a large room with several entrances requiring light control from multiple locations. The electrical schematic symbol for this type of switch is shown here for both the down and the up positions. The next few slides will illustrate how a four-way switch works in conjunction with 2 three-way switches. The first slide shows the light is on because the circuit is complete. Now, if we flip the left three-way switch, the light goes out because the circuit to the light now is incomplete. Next, we flip the right three-way switch and the light comes back on because the circuit to the light is once again complete. Let's move our attention now to the center switch, which is a four-way switch. Flipping that switch turns the light out because the circuit to the light is again incomplete. It doesn't take too much analyzing to understand that flipping any one of the 3 switches will cause the light to change its state from on to off or off to on. Here is some information that is valid during this winter season, or even during the summer if you experience weather-related power outages. EcoFlow is having a great sale. In the USA, there are seasonal sales running on portable power stations, solar panels, and home backup bundles with discounts up to around 68 to 75% off regular prices. These sales are available for a limited time only and include deals on popular models like the Delta series, generators, and accessories. Sale items change often, so the exact discounts and product end dates depend on the particular promotional event currently live when you tune into this website. In Canada, when going to this web address, you will find major sales also taking place with up to 75% off selected power stations and gear. These sales are available for a limited time only and include deals on popular models like the Delta and River series units and solar panels. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stan.store/GVB.